Millions of people are unprepared for retirement in their 50s or even worse, in their 60s. By the time they realise it, it might just be too late. It's not because they didn't work hard, it's because they're following an old, outdated model. And right now, it's because the rising cost of living continues to rise. Bills seem to get dearer every time you get one. People are finding it impossible to save towards that retirement goal. Now, I'm here to give you the confidence today that it's not too late. And with a proper plan, you can turn this around pretty quickly. And it's not by relying on that 9-to-5 job. And if you stick with me, I'll show you how everyday people in their 50s, 60s, or even into their 70s are actually beating the old system and starting to secure a real retirement. Now, I spent over 3 decades in construction. 5 a.m. starts, hot days in the elements, to the point where I was even burnt out. And the worst part was, I thought I was doing the right thing for my family. If we needed money, I'd just work more hours. But I realised later in life that I'd sacrificed the best part of my kids' lives growing up, time that I could never get back. Now, a lot of people my age, I'm sure, are going to be in the same boat. I just assumed that if I just kept working, one day I'd have enough to retire. But the true reality of it, it hit me like a brick wall when I actually did the numbers. So many people underestimate how much money they'll actually need to live once they retire. All the savings that I had was nowhere near enough to stop working anytime soon, and I was worried that I was going to have to work deep into my 70s. But it's not all doom and gloom, because I did manage to turn this around. Now, just to give you a bit of background, back in August of 2022, I had a construction accident on a work site. I fell down a hole and broke my leg and my ankle pretty badly. And when I was off work, I sat on the lounge and I thought to myself, if something didn't change, I could be stuck on that construction site forever. And the thought of that absolutely made me sick. I'd already sacrificed enough of my life, and I just wanted to work out a way that I could retire sooner. Now, I tried the usual side hustles. I tried drop shipping, I tried affiliate marketing. I made a little bit of money, but nothing life-changing, and it just wasn't enough. Until back in May of 2024, I discovered a done-for-you digital product system. Now, a lot of you probably don't even know what this is. Products were already made, website was already built, and the best part for me, step-by-step training. Because I was a construction worker, not a computer or tech expert. I really struggled with tech. And here's the insane part. There's some people out there making more money in a week than they used to make in a whole month working their 9-to-5 jobs. This isn't about luck. It's just about having the right system. Now, the people out there that are finding huge success with this aren't the people that are creating everything from scratch. They skip years of trial and error by leveraging systems that already work. And the same system that I'm using, everyday people are part of this program, generated $12 million in the first 90 days of its launch. And 100% of the profits went to these everyday people. And I'm part of a thriving community of over 60,000 people now. Like-minded people that just want the same as what I did. More time and more money freedom. And it is possible. Not for everybody. You need to put in the work. But what I can promise you, this system's proven. So if you do put in the work, you don't give up, there's never been a better time to start. And here's what most everyday people don't realise. There's 5 billion people on social media every day that you can contact absolutely free. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to be an influencer. You just simply need to connect the right people with the right solution. And the people that get started with this, like me, even in their 50s or 60s, can dramatically boost their retirement savings. But the sad part is, most people will sit back. They'll say that's a great idea, but they just won't do anything about it or take any action. And most people just keep scraping by. But you don't have to. So I'm here today just to give you the confidence that if I can do this as a burnout construction worker from Australia, so can you. So if you're sitting here watching this and you are feeling that retirement stress, your retirement savings are too low, you feel like you might never be able to retire, You do have time, but you don't have a lot of time. It's not too late. You just need a proven system that works. Now, I just kept it simple. I had to learn. I had to teach my 50-plus brain new things. I had to get out of my comfort zone. I had to learn how to post videos on social media every day. But I didn't give up. I turned up every day. And slowly but slowly, taking little steps at a time, and suddenly I started seeing results. And I can promise you, once you start seeing results, you believe in the process and you'll never give up. Now, if you want to see the exact system that helped me boost my retirement savings, I'll leave the link below. Check it out at your own pace, but make sure you check it out. Don't sit back like thousands or millions of people are doing, because you do have time. Take control now. Start building something for you, and you might be able to actually retire comfortably, because I dare say you deserve it after all the long, hard years you've put in, sacrificing your time and your family to pay your bills. So as always, believe in yourself and never give up.